Thank you, Subit. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. This is Shaurya from Civil Environmental and Construction Engineering Department. My title for today's talk is Synergizing Data-Driven and Physics-Driven Approaches for Understanding Complex Social Cyber-Physical Systems. Brief bio, I did my PhD in Electrical Engineering in 2015 from UNLV, University of Nevada, Las Vegas. Postdoc in 2016 from New York University. Before joining UCF, I was assistant professor in Electrical and Computer Engineering Department at CSULA for 2 years. And I was hired at UCF as a part of Future City Initiative, which was led by Civil Engineering Department. And my research group is Urban Intelligence and Smart City Lab, which is Urbanity Lab in short. Research interest-wise, my critical domains include data-driven dynamical systems, game theory, especially in field games, systems modeling and control theory. The application domains that I am currently interested in is connected and autonomous vehicles, smart urban mobility, smart and connected communities, and social technical infrastructure systems. Teaching-wise at UCF, I was involved in the curriculum development of the newly developed Smart City MSGD in civil engineering. I developed 2 new graduate courses, namely Cyber Physical Systems and Smart Cities, and Internet of Things and Applications in Smart Cities. Previously at CSULA, I taught mainly controls courses such as linear systems, optical control theory, digital control systems, etc. So the motivation for my research comes from the complexity of cyber physical systems and its ubiquitous presence all around. CPS are essentially the integration of computation, networking, and physical processes, and the human factors or human involvement make them even more challenging. Applications are all around us, including healthcare, transportation, smart cities, power grid, aviation, agriculture, and many others. The main challenges in understanding, controlling, modeling these systems are sensing, observability analysis, sensor placement, heterogeneity, and fusion of data, modeling accurate models, micro-macro relationships between physics-driven and data-driven models, control actions, distributed control actions, resilience and robustness of them, networking, and data management. My research involved in addressing the 3 challenges which are interrelated, which is sensing, modeling, and controlling these systems. The first one, or research direction 1, that we are taking in my lab is synergy between micro and macro models. Motivation comes from any multi-agent system having a lot of interaction among themselves, such as vehicular traffic, which can be viewed as micro or macroscopically. Conformity of these 2 modeling paradigms is needed for designing hierarchical control strategies and also for understanding which traffic contains CAVs and traditional vehicles. The approach that we use is mean field games, which was developed by Lazian Lyons in 2006, involving the study of Nash equilibrium among infinitely many states. So as an example, if you see in this figure, the vehicular traffic on the road, so all the other vehicles could interact to the other nearby vehicles. So in the classical game theory setting, this could lead to NC2 coupled equations leading to complexity in solving them. However, in mean games, a vehicle would say that I interact to the aggregated behavior, aggregated effect of the other vehicles. This individual to macro relationship is captured by the HJB-PD, whereas the aggregated behavior is captured by the Fokker-Planck-Kolmogorov PD. Together, these 2 PD systems form a coupled PD system, which is coupled, and this gives a nice way to capture the interaction without avoiding the complexity of game theory. Outcomes, so we developed an inverse derivation of the macroscopic algebra model starting from microscopic dynamics using non-viscous mean field games, proposed a multi-scale modeling framework for controlling heterogeneous traffic streams by using only a fraction of CAVs, which are basically in-stream controllers, can serve as an in-stream controllers. And so far, we have published 2 journal articles, and I use this as a case study in my CPS course. Thrust 2, which is also related to the thrust 1, which is strategic decision-making in multi-agent systems. Motivation comes from the need of optimal strategic decision-making and simultaneous cooperation and competition in these systems. Currently, we are developing in the final stages of submitting a proposal to NSF, which involves my collaborators, Dr. Zaki from Civil Engineering and Dr. Sajjaldas from the SMT. The approach we take is similar to MFG, which is called multi-type games. The shortcoming in MFG is that it requires infinite population, continuum of decision makers. That means we require very large agents in the system, indistinguishable and or anonymous, which means that all the agents are expected to behave in the same rational fashion and the non-atomic nature of the single agent. MFTG theory relaxes these above requirements, so this is more suitable for capturing the interaction in the heterogeneous and real-life engineering systems. As a motivational example, if you see a concept of multimodal autonomous mobility on demand, where all the agents, connected vehicles, commuters, infrastructure, bikes, public transport, everything is connected on the same multimodal network. However, there is a heterogeneity in terms of computational power, networking capabilities in their objectives. So, in order to arrive at optimal strategy, arrive at the non-Nash equilibrium, we are exploring the use of MFTG theory in this framework. Third research direction is synergy between physics and data-driven models. The motivation comes from the questions how to extract rich multi-scale spatiotemporal features that many systems of interest exhibit, how to design effective control strategies for real-life systems that are inherently nonlinear. Currently, I'm working with Dr. Enioa from Electrical Engineering Department to develop this synergy and develop proposal. The approach involves use of Speakman spectral theory, which is an alternative operator-theoretic formalism of dynamical systems, which essentially transforms the nonlinear dynamics into an infinite dimensional linear space. Also, additionally, it allows the qualitative analysis by investigation of the spectral properties. Applications are wide range. Any system with spatio-temporal spread may be nonlinear, or even if the dynamics is unknown of the system, the only requirement is that we have the snapshots of spatio-temporal data. A very good fit is epidemiology, information contagion on social media, nonlinear traffic dynamics, and the concepts of probability. The fourth research thrust is physics-informed machine learning. The motivation is coming from sparsity of observed data and sensor noise, robustness and guarantees of convergence in small data regimes, observed data that may be consistent with many models, and uncertainty arises due to that. The approach we take is deep learning augmented with the strength of physical laws governing the dynamic of the system, data-driven solution and data-driven discovery of partial differential equations, and interface between probabilistic machine learning and differential equations. We did some preliminary results. We have, so this you see is the experimental data set, which is the traffic flow density on a highway, and we wanted to use some sparse data sets to reconstruct this data set, perform the estimation. This figure here shows the results of just using the deep learning estimation. As you can just compare visually, this algorithm fails miserably. However, if we augment the deep learning algorithm with the inherent physical laws of this system, it performs reasonably well. This is the overall framework that we have proposed. Looking ahead, I want to strengthen the interdisciplinary research framework, looking for cross-department and college collaboration opportunities. These are some of the target sponsors, NSF programs that I want to explore, civil infrastructure systems, smart and connected communities, CPS, and information integration in communities, among other collaborations and sponsors such as DOT, US DOT, DARPA, etc. What I see currently, the potential collaboration opportunities in the department, in the college, and in the university include any large-scale spatial temporal systems with unknown or inherently nonlinear dynamics, smart and connected communities, multi-agent engineering systems, and power networks and distribution systems. Acknowledgements. Currently, my research group consists of 2 PhD students, Chiheng and Shahid, and my past sponsors include Oculus, Second, the Research Foundation, FDOT, and USDOT. Final remarks are that I'm seeking collaboration. My research is about collaboration and interdisciplinary research, so please feel free to reach out to me if there is something I can be involved with your research. Thank you.